Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar to ChatGPT. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We are in ChatGPT. The first thing you need to know is that if you're not using the free version, then you will be able to do this. If you are using the free version, like I am, you will not see the right options. But essentially what you're going to do here is look for your name on the bottom over here of this page. On the left-hand side, click on that and go to Settings. Here you will see a few options and you're going to look for connected apps, and you will see a list of connected apps. In this list, you should see Google Calendar if you are using the Pro version. If you're not using the Pro version, you won't see it here. But if you are, you can just click on Connect and you can connect your calendar. One of the other options is going on the left-hand side to GPTs, and here you can explore different GPTs. Go ahead and search for Google Calendar and look through the list. You can come down to this one over here. I've used this before. It's actually not too bad. So go ahead and click on it. Now, there are a few that will work, but I found that this one works pretty decently. You can see over here it's got pretty good 5-star ratings, and all you need to do is go down and click on Start Chat. And now, if you just give it a second, you're in GPT Calendar 5. And you can now go ahead and start using it.